It's like, damn, y'all love Armani 1 second, then say she lying. Y'all don't even know what Armani told me over the phone. Armani said that she said, I don't got, you don't listen to TK, so why do I got to? Is that Armani lying? That's what Armani told me. She said she got sassy with me. She got sassy with me. She said, if TK don't listen to Whoop, why do I got to? Or some shit like that. Yeah, she ain't lying about that. Y'all just be Armani's character too real. And plus, I wouldn't even have to. I mean, I'm pretty sure they recorded it anyway. So like, but my whole thing is this: I'm not even coming to kick her off. I mean, kick her out my house. I don't got to do that. But one thing she's not going to do is be in my roof and talking bad about me. That's period. Now, if y'all don't understand that, I don't care. You're not about to be up under my roof talking down. Like, bitch, what you think this is? Bitch, you got everything fucked up. I don't know what horse you rolled in on, and you thinking that you miss Queen Elizabeth, like you can just do whatever you need to do. No, you're not about to do none of that. Straight up. We don't talk bad about nobody. We just be chilling. We just be chilling, huh? Like we just be chilling. Like we don't fuck with nobody. So since you wanted to be live, because you had your little 3,000 people, okay, be live. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, she wanted to get off live because she know I'm coming now. Like, all she had to do was get off live. Like, she got that much pride. All she had to do was get off live. Like, that's all she had to do. Like, I don't understand. Like, why did she have to stay on until she knew I was coming? Oh, she know I'm on. Like, I had to get out my bed. I don't understand that shit. I had to get out my bed when all she had to do is stop talking down. You know, like, you can even stay on live. I don't even care about you staying on live. But just don't slander my name. And you living in my household, because if you don't fuck with me, bitch, leave out my motherfucking house. That's my whole thing. You can stay on live all you want to, just don't slander my name. Like, nigga, what the... Damn, it was that hard for you. I can slander my name. I gotta come out the hotel. And I gotta come all the way to the house. Because she just want attention. Like, I'm not about this drama shit. She just want us to fucking, like, I don't want this type of, like, what, that shit is stupid. Now, that shit is stupid. Nigga, ain't the comments with the BS. Nigga, my wifey called me, nigga, and let me know. Armani told me. Armani just now told me. You niggas, I'll be damned if you gonna disrespect me and then be in there talking crazy to Armani. You get me? Hell nah. Ain't nobody said nothing about talking. Like what I'm saying is, she said, TK don't listen to you, so I don't have to listen to you. Like what? Like why would you even talk to Armani like that? All she's telling you to do is respect the household. You up on our roof, like you don't, like, come on. I don't give a fuck. I'm rocking with what Armani said. So y'all can say whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just continue to be it. You know, y'all can say whatever. But Armani ain't got no reason to lie to me. Like she ain't got no, like she ain't gonna just, you know. And when Armani say she through, nigga, she through. Armani said, look.